Hi everyone, I'd love to show you this amazing flat soaker hose we just received. It came in a 2-pack. It's a 50-foot hose, which is awesome. That amount of length lets us do so many things with it. From our shrub line to our garden, we can use it so many different ways. It's fantastic. It has a 60 PSI, so that's a lot of pressure for this pipe, for this hose, and it's really, really strong, and the material itself is resistant to the sun damage that ruins soaker hose. It's kink resistant, which we really like. It's easy to use and store, and you can bury it in up to 1 to 2 inches of mulch, which is really, really nice if you want a deep soak. It's a really smart and efficient way to water in your yard, not wasting water, and it's an ultra durable fabric. We just love it. It's great for gardens, lawns, orchard, farm use. I'd love to show you guys how to operate it. It comes with these really easy to use couplers, and it does come rolled. You can see it's individually, each one comes. You can save about 80% of watering by using these hoses instead of direct hand watering. I'd love to get these open for you and show you how we use them in our garden, how easy they are to use, and how much you're gonna love using them at home. Now I'm gonna show you guys how easy this is to get installed and placed in your garden. First, you're gonna unroll your hose. You're gonna take the end here and connect it with this really nice heavy duty coupler. And now I'm going to use a drip technique, and we're going to put it on top of our garden beds, and simply taking the hose and this we can just making sure that we're putting it along the line of our plants. Let me show you the quality of this drip. It's a really, really strong, powerful soaker hose. I want to show you guys how effective it is too for overhead watering. And something that's really important before you store this, make sure you get all that water out, just letting it hang dry for a day or two, just to get all the water out. And it stores so easily.